vision with live imaging. So this is actually, we developed a splitter to go on an analog microscope that then sends the image to the screen. And inside there's two cameras that make the dimension.
So you can modify a regular 2D microscope to be 3D?
This is our...
Because that's a standard mount?
Yes.
That's a standard mount, okay.
Yes, but that is just one thing. It can go on any type of camera. For example, like for the laparoscopy, this is also live, and it submits the image there, and you can really see the dimension.
Is that your own laparoscope? You purchased the laparoscope and you upgraded it?
No, so this is just the laparoscope. Our technology is
visualization from the image that's coming out of it, software driven.
Exactly.
It's a software add-on.
It is. Yes. And our screens also are what we make it to.
Okay, Digitech screen. For medical applications only?
So we're actually in research and development right now. So we're looking to partner. But medical is definitely one of the applications that could greatly use this. But it could be used for engineering, automotive, industrial, everything. So yeah, so we're just looking to partner right now.
Okay. How long have you guys been in business?
I don't know. They just had me for the conference, but they've been. How long have you guys been making this product, in business?
Hi, Ben.
Actually, we are developing it for about 1.5 years.
So you can marry your technology to any laparoscope?
Yeah.
To any laparoscope which has a stereo camera.
And your camera can fit to any laparoscope? Do you have a camera in there? I thought it was software only.
Actually, the laparoscope is natively stereo laparoscope.
Okay.
It has two camera built in.
Okay. Yours is your technology is the software. Is that correct? And the monitor. And the monitor. Without glasses, 3D technology. That's great. That's great. Oh man, I'm going to